I am very happy to present you the new Tupperware extension of the E-Series collection, the E-Series poultry shears. These poultry shears are designed to cut through raw and cooked poultry with minimal effort. Ergonomically designed, they complement the full E-Series range and make cutting up poultry quick and easy. The combination of two polymers makes that the poultry shears lies comfortable in hand, especially when exerting pressure. The locking mechanism allows you to store very safely the poultry shears in your drawer, as the blades will be locked together. To open the shears, pull both handles together slightly and use the other hand to slip the locking bottom of the hook. To lock, pull the handles together completely and with the other hand, slip the locking button over the hook. The stem blades are extremely sharp and made of stainless steel. The serration on one side of the blade allows you to saw through poultry skin and to cut with a high level of precision. The inner cut on the blade near the joint helps cutting through hard and tough bones. To cut raw chicken, you should proceed this way. Place the chicken down on a cutting board with breast side up and cut on each side of the tail end to materialize the direction to cut. Turn the chicken upside down and cut on each side of the backbone so that you can remove it. Turn the chicken upside down again and saw through the skin with the serrated blade to be able to cut in between the two breasts. You will then have two halves of chicken. To remove the legs, saw through the skin with the serrated tip and then cut through the joint with the inner cut to separate it from the body. If too difficult, you can help you with the table as support to have more force. Once removed, divide the legs in cutting in between the drumstick and the thigh. Finally, remove the wings. Your chicken is ready to be cooked in the oven. To cut cooked chicken, the way to process is a bit different. Place the cooked chicken down on a cutting board with the breast side up. First, remove the legs. Divide the legs in two in between the thigh and the drumstick. Remove the wings. With the chicken still breast side up, cut in between the two breasts in the same direction as the backbone to separate them. Make two cuts all along the backbone to separate each half breast from the carcass. Separate the breasts in two pieces. The E-Series poultry shears are professional and user-friendly. They are the perfect shears to add in your kitchen.